If your spouse died young before he was drawing his own Social Security, and now you're a widow, you want to know, how do widow benefits work since he never actually drew his Social Security? Because you know that if he was drawing his Social Security, you could get up to 100% of what he was drawing at the time of death if you wait till your full retirement age. But he never drew. Say he died at 57, and we were both the same age. He died at 57. So I can start widow benefits as early as age 60, as long as I haven't remarried before age 60. I know a lot of people are kind of wanting to get remarried. Just hold off until your 60th birthday. You'll be able to retain your right to draw widow benefits on your former spouse. Now, if I'm 60, that's still early. That is earlier, much earlier than my full retirement age. So I could draw a benefit at 60, but I would only get 71.5% of what? That's your question, right? Of what? Since he wasn't drawing. Of the amount my spouse was eligible to draw had he lived till his full retirement age. So the Social Security Administration knows what that amount is. That is the amount I could get 71.5% at my earliest age, which is 60. And there are disabled widows that can draw as early as 50. So in my situation, you're not a disabled widow. You could draw as early as 60, or you might want to wait. And you say, well, how long do I have to wait to get the full amount? You have to wait till your full retirement age. So I said we were both the same age. So if I wait till I am 67, my full retirement age, then I could draw 100% of what my deceased spouse was eligible to draw had he lived till his full retirement age. So you're going to get 30% more by waiting. Should you wait? Maybe. If you're really healthy and you can live without the money now, maybe wait. If you're not very healthy and you really need the money now, maybe take it now, even though it's a reduced amount. That's the same equation we're all dealing with all Social Security benefits. Take it early at a lower amount, take it later at a higher amount. It's all a gamble. If you don't have my free Social Security and Medicare cheat sheet, please get it. The link is in my bio. That will tell you how much you get if you want to draw at 61 or 62, 3, 4, 5, all the different years up till your full retirement age. Now, their corollary question is, I took my own Social Security early. So my spouse passed at 57. I took mine at 62. I didn't take my widow benefits. Can I later just switch over to my widow benefits at any time? Yeah, at any time. Like I said, you were eligible all the way back here at 60, but you wanted to let it grow. You said, I don't want that big reduction. So you took your own Social Security, even though it was lower than what you could have gotten as a widow, because you're like, I'm going to live a long time. Women in my family live to 90. I need as much money as I can lock in. So you draw your own lower benefit and you wait and you gamble, right? It's a gamble. You wait till your full retirement age, again, in my scenario, 67, and then you switch over to the widow benefit at 100%. Since I took my own Social Security earlier over on this track, that reduction does not follow me over here to this track, drawing a widow benefit. And if you're a man, reverse my scenario, it's gender neutral, or if you're a homosexual couple, same thing. Hope you learned something today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Get ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.